Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's OLSP system review video, I'd like to share with you some proof that some more profit and 100% commissions have recently come in with OLSP system. So I'm live in my account. You'll see at the top left-hand corner, my total earnings are $417.95. And more important, this video, I want to show you how you can promote one link. This product is called the Mega Link, and it's one of several products within the OLSP system. There's no monthly membership costs. It's a one-time $7, so it's perfect for beginners if you're looking to get into profit. And I'll just scroll down here and just show you some of the multiple income streams. So if you look on here, just blurring out members' information on the left there for privacy. So these are the products in this column here. This one here, Mega Messenger, it's a monthly recurring income there. The Mega Link is where you get 100% commissions. So that's a one-time commission of $7. So once you get your first referral with Mega Link, if you promote it with free traffic like I do, then everything else beyond that is going to be profit. Another Mega Messenger came in here. Another product here called List Building and Magic Link. So you can earn $7 on that product. Another Mega Messenger came in here, recurring income. More Mega Links for $7. Go on to the next page. You'll see more list building, more Mega Links. And this one here is another recurring commission, traffic rotator monthly. That's a passive income commission there of $9.40. So I'm not going to go back through all the pages. I've done other videos where I've gone into more detail, but I'm not going to go into all that today. What I recommend you do is the link in the description is where you can set up a free account. And what I recommend you do is this here is where you promote one link for 7 income streams. Let's come and meet this gentleman here, Crowe. He's the owner and creator of OLSP System, and he's done a short video here where he explains how he's helping people become successful online, and he's helping people, beginners who have never made their first dollar. So everyone from beginners to intermediates to advanced affiliate marketers. So you can come and meet Crowe, watch that video there. There's more information on the page. I'm going to take you inside the members area. I'm going to show you exactly how beginner friendly and how step by step, how simple it is to promote this product, just promote one link. So in the members area, there's a couple of good free trainings here. This system really excels by the training and support that you get. These 2 free trainings here, what I recommend you watch first. It's Wayne talking about how he made $10 million in commissions and the 100 commission hack. This way you get your Mega Link here. Other trainings down here, but he does weekly live trainings and he does replays as well. So if you're looking to get trained up on how to become successful with affiliate marketing, then it's a great system for you. So once you get your Mega Link, I want to show you now how simple, it's not hard, it's not technical, it's a complete 100% done for you system. So I'll just take a few minutes and just show you exactly how easy it is to work with this system. And even if you're a beginner and you're brand new. So what you've got here is you get a Mega Link. So your Mega Link is just an affiliate link. Get it in the top top right hand corner here. And then when you promote that link, it will take your prospects to this page here. It's a done for you lead capture page. And then when they put their email into there, they can set up a free account. And this is where the magic happens with this system. This is where Crowe and his team really excel. So what they've done, they've created a complete ecosystem this line here is where I'm going to draw lines, where Wayne's drawn the line here in the training. So all you've got to be concerned with, this is how simple it is, all you've got to be concerned with is these two boxes to the left hand side of this line here. And all you've got to do, you get your mega link, and all you've got to do is focus on one thing. And that one thing is learn how to generate traffic. So you'll see here, traffic to your mega link. And then what happens is when the magic happens with this system, 100% done for you. So you promote traffic to your mega link. He's going to train you in the members area and with his live weekly trainings on how to get traffic. Free traffic, cheap traffic, paid traffic. All the training is done, and he helps you how to get traffic and training. So he calls it a squeeze page. I call it a lead capture page. And then your prospects, they opt in, they put their email address in. And then what happens is, on autopilot, done for you, Wayne and his team send out emails for you. So you don't have any autoresponder costs. You don't have any monthly autoresponder costs. And then within those emails, because he's created his own product, he spent $250,000 on this system, he's going to promote your affiliate link. He's going to promote you. He's promoting your affiliate links. He's promoting you. So he's promoting within these emails that he sends out for you, he's promoting these offers. Now there's low ticket offers. There's medium ticket offers. He's created the products. He's been online 15 years and knows exactly what he's doing. And he's even promoting high ticket products. So if any of your prospects opt into here and they buy any of these products here, that's when you earn commissions. So all I've ever done with this system is promote my lead capture page. That's all I've ever done, is promote this page here. I haven't done anything else. I haven't followed up with anybody. The system's done it all for me. Now it gets even better, because when somebody buys, they go into a lifetime of follow-ups. So once you create a customer, they go into lifetime, and Wayne will send out emails for life, so you can earn ongoing commissions. So not just one-off commissions, ongoing commissions. Now it gets even better than that, because he's created a Facebook group and a community for help and support. And this community here, so one of the reasons why 95% of people fail online is because they don't have anybody to talk to, they don't have a mentor, they don't have any help, they don't have any support, and they get disillusioned, they don't get into profit, and they quit. So he's giving you everything you need. He's giving you the product for $7 one time. He's following up for you. He's following up with your affiliate links. And he's also giving you help and support. There's 144,000 members in this Facebook group. So you're going to get all the help, support, and training that you need. You're never going to be on your own. And if you want help from me, then my email address will also be in the description. So this is a complete 100% done for you system. And the value for a one-time $7 payment is probably the best value I've ever seen with any product or system online. So I'm going to make an income disclaimer. So there will be an income disclaimer in the description. I'm not making any income claims or guarantees in this video. We've all got an equal opportunity to become a member of OLSP System and also promote it as an affiliate. So if you've enjoyed today's video, please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that, because that will help support the growth of my YouTube channel. And if you have enjoyed today's video and you'd like to see some more videos from me, then please click subscribe and the bell icon, and then you'll get notified of all my new videos. So currently I'm doing several new videos every week, and I've now got over 1,000 videos on my channel. If you've got any questions about OLSP System, put those in the comments below. I'll answer your questions for you. And my email address will be there if you want to contact me or you want some help. So I recommend you click the link in the description. It gives you free access to this video here. Come and meet Wayne Crowe, because this gentleman here is doing some absolutely superb work. He is helping. He can help you become successful with affiliate marketing if you're willing to learn what he teaches and just follow his trainings and promote his systems. Then he's certainly a gentleman that's on a mission to help as many people become successful as he can. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.